That is the house of my classmate Anna Apple Joy. Then that is Charlene. You know, we're going to the house of Queenie Lu to search about our katutubang sayaw. And this is the way. Oh, look, Queenie Lu and Charlie. Hey, what's up? Hi! Uy, Queenie Lu, labot mo.
Asa man tahoy.
Oh, me too. Can I? Sige, come on, girl. Okay, look at them. I swim.
Blackout.
Let's go. And we're going now.
We're going to a house. We're going to municipal.
This is the way. It's so
Rocky road.
yeah, rocky road, very rocky road.
Tawa na good na.
Look. And my color for my nail is pink with red and 3 violets. 1. So this color is whole.
They painted their nails.
Haha.
4 cents.
4.
Paint pala tawag niya.
It's a beautiful flower.
Paint brush.
Asa man ta? Asa man ta?
Looking for something don't do. They gave me all I have to touch.
Nasa sa America.
What?
Americano. Kailangan ko siya og kuan. Iyan ang ginisang ko nilalagi. Violet ang sulod.
Charot.
Pwede na lotion. Violet.
Do.
Isa. Si Bian. Ay, si Bian. Si Claudia.
Labihan yung balam.
Yung lubot.
Chichik yung flower. Pero kailangan ko gano'n.
Wala din naman sinimo except sister niya. In the street.
Wala din naman sinimo.
But
Di man siya
poor kids do that. Its power ensures security.
Weh! Weh! There's an apple crying. Yaro, behawid be. May kugatin niya raw. Kung wala siya gisila si Secret yung kuro. Where? Wala pa siya dato.
Cute.
Lingi pod mo, lahi na kanina ay. Uy kabog, lingi.
It's a beautiful house. Native. He calls it native.
And it is the house. Naked house. That is the house of Mr. Romeo and Paris.
Mr. George.
And I know that she...
Father of Charlie.
Nice.
That is the house of the Maldita. Kalaari. Kalaari.
Yes, that is Papa.
Aman taho.
Ano lagi yung kuyog?
Yung mahod ay.
Wala ang Charlie.
Ha, Tinay?
Ha?
Ayaw, giwat. Ramuan na.
Tisag na sa sulod.
Saan yun ipagkuan?
Hala.
Nice! Nice!
Nice, kira?
Ano, ikaw ba? Ano, ako ano?
Ikaw,
Derlin!
Ah,
Derlin!
is-
Ayaw mo